Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to view or track all your contractor payments in QuickBooks Online. It's gonna be very easy and simple step. So first you can log into your QuickBooks Online account, and then in the main dashboard you can navigate to the all apps here in the left side of your screen and go to theme section. And then we'll find contractors. You can click on it. And then you will see all of your contractors here. As you can see, I only have one here. And in order to view all contractors payment, you can click this one. As you can see, view all contractors payments. And then you will see all of your contractor payments here. You can track it. You can choose the uh, period of time, this year, this month, and others like that. And just click apply. And you will find all of your contractor payments. And then yeah, I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.